Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to check if web link is safe without opening. So guys, here, let's say you got an email and it has a link. So guys, I will be using this one as an example. So from here, if you want to check if the link has a virus, just simply go ahead and copy the link, guys. Now, once you have copied the link, just simply go to google.com and search over here on the Google virus total. And now just simply go to this one, virustotal.com. And guys, I recommend using this website in order for you to check if the link has viruses. And from here, just simply click on URL at the middle. So guys, you can go for file as well if you prefer. So for this video, it will be a URL. So just simply go over here and just simply paste it over here. And now just simply tap enter into your keyboard. And as you can see, VirusTotal will check if the link is safe or not. And if it's not safe, it will have a error that it has a malware. And as you can see, we have a perfect score and there are no malicious activity in the URL. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see here if there are any viruses. And as you can see, there are no malware. And from here, you can simply check if your URL is safe. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about checking viruses. And thanks for watching. See ya.